In this video, you will learn how to add the Google Calendar widget to your Arreya presentation. To begin, log into your channel. In your dashboard, click the Content menu at the top of the page and then click Presentations. Click the green Edit icon on your existing presentation to launch the Arreya Creative Studio. On the top menu bar, click Widgets, then click Google Calendar. The top section shows a preview of how the widget will appear. Below the preview, you will find the widget settings. The first step is to enter the Google Calendar ID into the Calendar URL field. In Google Calendar, click Settings, then click on the calendar you wish to integrate. Once you have the calendar selected, click on Access Permissions for Events. In Access Permissions, check the box Make Available to Public and click OK on the pop-up box. Next, go to Integrate Calendar and copy the Calendar ID. Return to your Arreya presentation and paste the Calendar ID into the Calendar URL field. Use the additional General settings to choose the appearance and interactive settings for your calendar. Use the Slideshow tab to change the transitions between dates, date transition time, and date display time. When you are finished with the widget settings, click the OK button to add the Google Calendar widget to your page. Drag the widget to move it, or use the bounding box to resize it. Click the purple brush icon below the widget to open the Style settings. In the Style settings, you have options for the color, transparency, fonts, borders, shadows, and more. When finished, click OK. If you want to adjust the widget settings after adding it to the page, click the purple gear icon below the widget to open the Settings menu. If you need additional Google Calendar widgets, you can add additional widgets from the Widgets menu and repeat these steps. When you are finished, click the green Push Live button to update your presentation.